الحمد لله رب العالمين والعاقبة للمتقين والصلاة والسلام على سيد الأنبياء والمرسلين أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل لا أسألكم عليه أجرا إلا المودة في القربى صدق الله العظيم. Honorable judges, respected audience, media representatives, and dear students, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. First of all, I want to congratulate the team of Islamic Student Federation for organizing such a beautiful and historical event today. Dear audience, the topic of my speech is the mutual respect between Abu Bakr Siddiq radiyallahu ta'ala anhu and the family of Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Being a true Muslim, we have the love of companions of Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, because he beloved companions. He said, "Ashabi kan nujumi, fabi ayyi ihtadaytu ihtadaytu." My companions are the like stars which you will follow, you will be guided. In the same way, we should maintain a relationship of love with the family of Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Regarding them, Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Mislu ahli bayti ka misli safinatun nuh." My family is Ark Nuh. We are saved. Dear audience, the companions is a very respectful with relationship with Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. There are a lot example in Islamic story. Afdalul Bashar Ba'da al-Anbiya Sayyiduna Abu Bakr Siddiq radiyallahu ta'ala anhu was the first leader of Muslim after the death of Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He performed a good duties of the leader of Muslim. Dear audience, in the life of Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and after the death of Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he set a great example of love and respect of Ahlul Bayt. Abu Bakr Siddiq radiyallahu ta'ala anhu often used to look at the Ali's face. One day Aisha Siddiqa radiyallahu ta'ala anha said, "Why you looking Ali's face?" He said that Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, "Unzuru ila wajhihi aliyun ibada." Look at it, Ali's face worship. According of narration of Imam Bukhari, Abdullah bin Umar radiyallahu ta'ala anhu said, Abu Bakr Siddiq radiyallahu ta'ala anhu said, respect of Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and respect his family. Dear audience, Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Innal Hasana wal Husaina huma rayhan min ad-dunya." So that's why Abu Bakr Siddiq radiyallahu ta'ala anhu was passing by a place when Hazrat Hassan radiyallahu ta'ala anhu and Hazrat Ali radiyallahu ta'ala anhu were coming from a plant. He picked the Imam Hassan and his picked on his shoulders and said, "You liked Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, not like your father Hazrat Ali." Ali was smiled. May Allah help to the teaching of my both. Be happy and have a nice day. Thank you so much.